How to send money on Cash App without identity verification. So let me head over to one of the article which is gonna guide you with the step-by-step process on how you can send the money on Cash App without identity verification. Well, this is one of the article which is gonna help you. Over here you can see where it says, to send money using Cash App without ID or SSN, you must follow these steps. So the very first step is to open the Cash App on your device. After that, you have to click on the dollar sign that is displayed on your phone. Enter the amount in dollar less than $250 that you wish to transfer. Click on the Pay tab in the lower right corner. And then you must enter your Cash App email address, the cash tag number or the phone number of the person receiving it. Within the for field, enter the reason behind the transaction. And then click on Pay for the Pay option. You must enter your PIN to verify the transaction and your cash will send to the Cash App recipient. After that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can send money on Cash App without the identity verification. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.